Hey there. I was feeling really bad that I wasn't going to be able to make or have any really Easter eggy thing with my grandchildren this year. So, the way our family has set things up is my circle does include Grace and Lucy because they live with my mom. So, they have completely isolated everything. My other grandchildren, their parents are still working at times, so I can't. But and they live really close, so it makes it really hard. I drive by and wave a lot. But I found this really cute instruction on Facebook and tweaked it to work for us, making a volcano egg kit. And I wanted to show you what it is. So let me bring you over here. All right, so here's the kit. You are going to use, well, I wrote the directions and I'll post them for you. It was on a blog called toddlerapproved.com, but it was one of those blogs with a gazillion ads and pop-ups and really confusing, so I just made it a quick PDF and it will download for you. But anywho, you're going to need some hard-boiled eggs. Mine are over here still working. And then, because I thought if I just hand them this and then mom has to make the eggs, I'm not going to be the good Grammy. So I'm doing some hard-boiled eggs up. You're going to want food coloring and baking soda, right? Crazy. So I mix those together already so that they don't have to do it. So each one of these cups, there's 4, each one of these cups has about a tablespoon of baking soda and 3 or 4 drops of coloring. They're going to add a little bit of water and stir it so it makes a paint, but it's baking soda paint. They're going to paint the eggs, and then they're going to add vinegar, which is just white vinegar in a mason jar, using these spoons on top of, wait, we've got it all, some lipped paper plates that are left over from Happy Birthdays this summer. And they've got some spoons that's going to pour the vinegar on. And my understanding is it's going to fuzz and fizz and make the color be really cool. I think it'll be fun, kind of messy, but at least they can do it outside. And that's what Grammys do. We do the messy stuff. So if you're looking for something, a fun gift to put together, you just print this out, scavenge around. I bet you can find stuff. If you aren't nearby, you could mail this. I know it's Wednesday, but you could hurry. Or you could send them the directions and a little bit of a gift card and they could go get their own. I'm sure they have most of these. It's baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. Really are and eggs. Not bad. All right, see you soon. I'll let you know how it goes.